Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write rock, paper, scissors game using Python. Let's start by importing the random module, which will be used to generate the computer's choice. Now implement the play game function. It starts by defining a list of options called options with the three choices: rock, paper, and scissors. The computer's choice is then generated by using the random.choice function to randomly select an option from the list. The player's choice is obtained by using the input function to ask the player to choose one of the options. If the player's input is not one of the options, the user is prompted to enter a valid choice. Once both the computer's and player's choices have been made, the script compares them to determine the winner of the game. If the player's and computer's choices are the same, the game is a tie. If the player's choice is rock and the computer's choice is scissors, the player wins. If the player's choice is paper and the computer's choice is rock, the player wins. If the player's choice is scissors and the computer's choice is paper, the player wins. In all other cases, the computer wins. Finally, the script includes an if-name main idiom block to check if the script is being run as a standalone program. If it is, the play game function is called to start the game. Now run the code and enjoy. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and I will try to create more valuable content. See you!